So today I'm going to be showing you how I converted this simple upper cabinet into a planter's box. The cabinet, still assembled to the right, measures about 18 by 36. I will be removing this door and all hardware. The semi-completed planter's box already has pressure-treated 2x4s attached. The doors were removed as well as all the necessary hardware. I also made small 1/8 inch holes so I can use them as guides when I come back with my 1/2 inch drill bit to allow for proper draining. So you ready to see how this turned out? Let's go. So I was able to find a ton of scrap pressure treated wood. They are all different heights, so I lined them up and cut them evenly. I knew I didn't want it to be less than 2 feet, so when the smallest measured at 26.5 inches, I was low-key very excited. So here's a quick tip. The reason why you want to use pressure-treated wood is because this wood is already treated to be outside. So, being as I'm going to be watering my plants, it's going to be exposed to a lot of water. And it is already treated, as I said, to do so without warping. And there you have it. All 4 are cut at 26.5 inches. And now I'll be removing the door as well as all hardware attached. To ensure these legs are on, I'm going to be using a number 9 2.5 inch construction screw. These screws are attached using a T25 bit. Now that the legs are on, I am able to start pre-drilling my holes. Earlier I used a 1/8 inch drill bit, which I thought was a little bit too small, so now I'm going over it with a 1/2 inch drill bit to ensure for proper drainage. And there you have it, they are both assembled. Now, I know I said I'm going to be putting water in this, so the next step is waterproofing. Here I have already waterproofed this planter's box, and as you see, I did the sides and the base of them. I also allowed for the waterproofing agent to seep down into the holes so that the water doesn't warp the actual holes. Now I'm going to be applying the same waterproofing agent to this planter's box. And there you have it. This planter's box is now waterproofed as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.